Okay. Logistics, we've done our materials management, purchasing, master data, and for records, display, purchase, SDQT, enter, or material. Material was 100 was our info record. Enter material group, start search with purchase organization. We should have one info record. Okay, vendor is 5,300, 198, enter, not maintained, implement. Okay, enter, 200, 200. Okay, okay. Purchasing organization data and conditions. And we can, of course, does not allow supplementary conditions. And this is what we created in the last lecture. Okay, now next, since our master data is done, request for quotation and then quotation. Let's cover this first. ME41 quotation deadline will be 24/01/2025. Purchasing group, plant storage location, item category will be empty, that is standard. And the details, interval, collection number, validity start, we can give the validity start for request for quotation, which is being floated on 21st. And we can give supplier address, and supplier address will be 300. Okay, company, enter AE. Okay, it pulls every data from the master data of the vendor. Okay, and we can go back. Yes, no items. Okay, supplier address is done. Header details. Okay, purchase document schema is not given. Item. No items. Okay, item. No. Quotation deadline 24. Purchasing group. Okay, we can reference it to outline agreement also. Let's search for that. Outline agreement. We don't have an outline agreement with the vendors right now. So let's go for overview. Okay, item. Now this is where we enter our item, that is 200, 200, and RFQ quantity that we want is, let's say, 1200. Delivery date will be 23rd 01 2025. Location. Oh, okay. 25 01 2025. And of course, we'll float this for the suppliers, right? Supplier data 300, company AE, enter. Okay, the text fragile, Sharjah, back. Okay, supplier address, partner, I guess no partner schema, enter for purchase document type. And next is release strategy. Purchase document not subject to release strategy. Okay, and we save it. No message record could be found. Now message record, but we'll save it anyway. Okay, RFQ has been created. 6013. Okay, quotation, maintain. 6013 is pulled from the details. No currency assigned to supplier, maintain master record. Okay. BP. Open BP 5300. Currency, it is saying it needs your box. Where is currency? Financial vendor standard relationships will come company code, and reconciliation account, withholding tax code, country. Vendor standard. Generalized data will become purchasing data, and order currency. Okay, switch between display and change. We'll keep it AED. Save. This is also something, a new learning, even for me, that we have to maintain currency at mass data level before we can create quotations. Okay, changes have been saved. Maintain. Overview. Maintain tolerance limit for tolerance key SE. Okay, details. Okay, set tolerance limits. Continue. Set tolerance limits for price variances. That falls under purchase order. Okay. New entries. Tolerance key SESDQT. Maximum cash discounted reduction in purchasing. Tolerance limit. Save. Oh, okay. It was already signed. SDQT. Data was saved. And new entries. Tolerance key PESDQT. AED. Do not check. Save. Price variance purchasing. Data was saved. Okay. Overview. Maintenance tolerance key SE. Okay, we'll have to restart this. Transaction ME47. Overview. Now it pulls the RFQ to create a quotation under this vendor, and the net price for this is for, let's say it's 10 per piece. So that becomes 12,000 for these, for this quantity, where the location where it will be dropped is Sharjah for this plant. Okay, delivery date is 25th. Deadline is 24th for the quotation. Okay, and we save it. Quotation has been maintained. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Outline agreement, scheduling agreement, list displays. Now, contract is basically a set scheduled agreement between a vendor and the company. Okay, we'll discuss this in the next one. We're keeping it a little short today because we started late, and we'll continue it from here.